Streets of London, panic on the streets of Birmingham. I wonder to myself, would life ever be same again? The lead side seems to just live down. I wonder to myself, hopes may rise from the glass mirror, but every time that I'm safe here, setting them down, the safety of the town. Dundee on the side, I wonder to myself. disco. I'm the blessed DJ, because the music that they constantly play, it says nothing to me about my life. I'm the blessed DJ, because the music they constantly play. The lead side streets are just laid down, the privacy and town should your ground. I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ. I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ. I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ. I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ. I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ. I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ. I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ. I'm the DJ, I'm the DJ. Thank you. And catch up with your olive tree. I come round, 'cause I want the one I can't have, and it's driving me mad. It's all over my thing. On the day that your mentality catches up with your biology, I want the one I can't have, and it's driving me mad. It's all over my thing. A double bed, and star and another for sure. These are the riches of the poor. A double bed, and star and another for sure. These are the riches of the poor. And I want the one I can't have, and it's driving me mad. It's all over my face. A cookie sometimes swallows nails, raised on prisoner's aid. Became a policeman when he was 13, and somehow that really impressed me. Sitting on the other my face. These are the riches of the poor. These are the riches of the poor. And it's driving me mad. It's written all over my face. On the day that your mentality catches up with your brain. If you ever need self-validation, just meet me in the alley by the railway station. It's all over my business. I was lifting some blood on the roof of the Holy Spirit. It was worthwhile living a land of a life. Set my eyes on the distant sun. Gonna be given to do. He's not strange. He just wants to live his life. So hey, a sketchy bit of the thing over the decorative ring that wouldn't cover the head of a shoulder. As rose Christ the money in the canister, who comes running down the he's not strange, he just wants to live his life just away. The monkish Monsignor with a head full of plaster, with my handkerchief well so dry clean. As rose comes the money in the canister, as much as raining doesn't my God. I'm gonna kiss you, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 oh, every year. The next day in the pulpit, with freedom and ease, combating ignorance, dust and disease. As rose past the money in the canister, as an absolute rain, he dances again and again and again. I'm gonna get you too, I'm gonna get you too. I'm not a living star, I'm a living star. Take me out tonight, where there's music and there's people who are young and alive. Riding in your car, I never want to go home, because I haven't got one anymore. Take me out tonight, because I want to see people and I want to see life. Driving in your car, please don't jump anymore, because it's not my home, it's their home, and I'm welcome no more. Heavenly way to die, and in the Thames arms run, here's the both of us, by your side, the pleasure that live with you. Take me out tonight, oh take me, I don't care, don't care, don't care. And in the dark and underpass, I thought, oh God, my chance was come at last. But then a strange fear gripped me and I just couldn't ask. Take me out tonight, oh take me anywhere, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Driving I never want to go home because I haven't got one. I haven't got one. Such a heavenly way to die. And if the 10-ton truck kills the both of us, to die by your side, the pleasure, the privilege is mine. Thank you. If I may ask just one thing. If the person next to you spits or throws anything, please bottle them. Shyness is a nice and shyness can stop you from doing all the things in life that you want to. So if there's something you'd like to try, if there's something you'd like to try, ask me, I won't say no, how could I? Coyness is a nice and coyness can stop you from saying all the things in life that you'd like to. If there's something you'd like to try, if there's something you'd like to try, ask me, I won't say no, how could I? Spending warm summer days indoors, writing, frightening the birds who are up to the lucky. Because if it's not love, then it's the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb will bring us together. Nature is a language, can't you read it? Nature is a language, can't you read? So ask me, because if it's not love, then it's the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb will bring us together. If it's not love, then it's the bomb, then it's the bomb that will bring us together. So ask me, ask me, oh. Thank you. your friend came by today, 'cause he was telling us he wasn't time all the love that he just found under his name of his latest flame. He talked and talked, and I heard him say that she had the longest, blackest hair, prettiest green eyes anywhere, under his name of his latest flame. Night at the fair, by the big wheel generator, a boy has stopped, money is kept in the oven for the look of the line. She is famous, she is funny, an engagement ring doesn't mean nothing to a man that's in bed having money. Last night at the fair, from a seat on a whirling water, a scared her sense for a watching eye, it's a hideous train on for the fight. From a seat on a whirling water, a scared her sense for a watching eye, it's a hideous train on for the fight. Then someone falls in love, someone's beaten up, someone's beaten up. The sense of being very divine, and someone falls in love, and someone beaten up, and the sense of being very divine. This is the last night of the fair, and the grease in the hair of Speedway operator is all that tremulous heart requires. The schoolgirl is denied. Said how quickly would I go? Take a jump from the top of the parachute. This is the last night of the fair, and the grease in the hair of a Speedway operator is all that tremulous heart requires. A schoolgirl is denied. She said how quickly would I die if I took the top of the parachute. Home alone, but my faith in love is still about, and I walk home alone. But my faith in love is still about, and I walk home alone. But my faith in love is still about. Thank you. Shut up! Frankly, Mr. Shankly, this position I have, it pays my way, but it corrodes my soul. I want to leave. You will not miss me. I want to go down in musical history. Frankly, Mr. Shankly, I'm a sickening wreck. I've got the 21st century breathing down my neck. I must move fast. You understand me? I want to go down in circular history, Mr. Shankly. It can play hideous tricks on the brain, but still I'd rather be famous than righteous or holy. Any day, any day, any day. Oh, but sometimes I feel more fulfilled making Christmas cards for the mentally ill. I want to live and I want to love. I want to catch something that I might be ashamed of. frankly, Mr. Shankly, this position I ain't held. It pays my way, but it corrodes my soul. Though I didn't realize you wrote poetry. I didn't realize you wrote such good awful poetry, Mr. Shankly. Frankly, Mr. Shankly, since you asked, you are a reflection and pain in the eyes. I do not mean to be so rude, but still I must speak frankly, Mr. Shankly. Give us your money. Thank you. Don't believe me. How can they hear me say those words? Still they don't believe me. And if they don't believe me now, will they ever believe me? And if they don't believe me now, will they ever believe me? Oh, Lord, Lord. Don't believe us, and after all this time, they don't want to believe us. And if they don't believe us now, will they ever believe us? And when you want to live, I'll just start where you go. Who takes you now? Oh, Lord, Lord. haven't noticed that I'm dead and decided to bury me. God knows I'm ready, love under dust. What she said was sad, but then all the rejection she's had to pretend to be having good, only to receive good under the head. What she said was not. To really organize what she read, all heavy bullshit, it's a touching boy from Birken's head. To really organize what she said. I smoke because I'm looking for a vinegar, and I need to cling to something. What she said. I smoke because I'm hoping for a miracle, and I need to cling to something. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you, you're incredibly kind. Is it really so strange? I left the north. I travel south, I found a tiny house and I can't help the way that I feel. Oh yes, you can kick me, and you can punch me, and you can break my face, but you won't change the way I feel. I love you, and if it's really so strange. Right. Or is it really so strange? I say no, you say yes, but you will change your mind. I left the south, I traveled north, I got confused, I killed a horse, I can't help the way that I feel. You can punch me, and you can buff me, and you can break my spine, but you won't change the way I feel. 'Cause I love you more, and it is really so strange. It is really so strange. Really so strange. I say no, you say yes, but you won't change your mind. I left the north again, I traveled south again, and I got confused, I killed him, and I can't help the way I feel. I can't help the way I feel. Can't help the way I feel. I left my bag in Newport packing home. Why is the last mile the hardest mile? My throat was dry with the sun in my eyes, and I realized I could never go back home again. Thank you. sunny day to meet you at the cemetery gates. Keats and Yeats are on your side. A dirty sunny day to meet you at the cemetery gates. Keats and Yeats are on your side. While it's on the mind. So we go inside and gravely read the stones. All those people, all those lives, where are they now? With love, with hate, with passions just like mine. They were born and then they lived and then they died. Things so unfair, oh, I want to cry. Instead, for us the sun had done salutation to the dawn. And he claimed these words as his own. But I've read well and I've heard them said 100 times, maybe less, maybe more. And you must write frozen poems to words that you should be your own. Don't vagarize or take on wrong. There's always someone, somewhere, with a big nose who knows and shifts you up and laughs when you fall. Who'll shift you up and laugh when you fall. Words which can only be your own. You then produce the text from when Words written 17 or 1800 before. And then it's sunny days, so let's go where we're happy and they'll meet you at the cemetery gate. So Keats and Yeats are on your side. And then it's sunny days, so let's go where we're walking and they'll meet you at the cemetery gate. Keats and Yeats are on your side, but you lose, but we're the love wildest of mine. Shiver. Thank you. This is a new song, which we hope you like. Nobody else does. It's called London. Lingers round your fingers, trying to heat on to Euston. Do you think you made the right decision this time? Oh, Left your tired family grieving. And you think they're sad because you're leaving. But did you see the jealousy in the eyes of the ones who had this to be cleaned? And do you think you made the right decision this time? You left your girlfriend on the platform with this really ragged notion that you read to, but she knows that when he goes, I got to go. And do you think you made the right decision this time? We don't do hand in glove anymore. Beautiful creature must die. A death for no reason, a death for no reason is murder. And the flesh is so fancifully fried, is not so cute and tasty or kind. It's death for no reason, and death for no reason is murder. And the cough that you cough and a smile is murder. And the turkey you festively slice is murder. Do you know how animals die? Kitchener aromas, aren't they homely? It's not comforting, cheap your time. It's settled in blood and the unholy stench of murder. It's not natural, nor kind. This flesh is so fancifully fried, and the meat in your mouth, you savor the flavor of murder. No, it's murder. You turn on I can feel the soil falling over my head, and as I climb into an empty bed, oh, what enough said. It's over, still likely. I don't know where else I can go. I can feel the soil falling over my head. See the sea wants to take me. The knife to cut me. Do you think you can help me? Sad, veiled bride, please be happy. Handsome groom, give her room. Love you, I know it's over, still I play. I don't know where else I can go. I know it's over, and it never really began, but in my heart it was so real. And you even spoke to me and said, you're so funny, and why you're on your own tonight. And if you're so clever, then why you're on your own tonight. Cause tonight it's just like any other night. That's why you're on your own tonight. But you're trying to send your child. It's so easy to laugh, it's so easy to hate. It takes strength to be gentle and kind. It's so easy to laugh, it's so easy to hate. It takes guts to be gentle and kind. Love is natural and real, not for you, my love, not tonight, my love. Love is natural and real, but not for such as you, love. shyness that is criminally golden. I'm standing on nothing particular. You shut your mouth, how can you say I go about things the wrong way? I am human and I need to love like everybody else does. The sun and the air of a shyness that is criminally golden. I'm the sun and air of nothing in particular. You shut your mouth, how can you say I go about things the wrong way? I am human and I need to be loved just like everybody else does. You'd like to know you could meet somebody who really loves you. So you go and you stand on your own, and you leave on your own, and you go home, and you cry and you want to die. It's gonna happen now. Oh, well, what exactly do you mean? See, I've already waited too long. None of my hope is gone. Thank you, goodbye. Thank you. today that life is simply taking and not giving. England is forever and it always will living. Don't ask me why and I was missing a day. Ask me why and I was missing a day. Look away, cannot cling the old dreams anymore. No, we cannot cling to those dreams. God, the body through the mind, but just the mind through the body, I don't know. On the iron bridge we kissed, and although I ended up with study, it just wasn't like the old things of before. No, it wasn't like those. Never mind, still alive. Now I wanna know as I still does the body through the mind, that does the mind through the body. I don't know. Ask me what about it. Ask me why and and if you must go to work tomorrow, well, if I were you, I really wouldn't bother. Oh, there are brighter sides to life, and I should know because I see them all, but not often. The iron bridge we kissed, and although I ended up with somebody, it just wasn't like the old days anymore. No, it wasn't like those. Never mind, I'd like to smash everything in your head. Sweetness, I was only joking when I said I'd like to sit with a legend in your bed. And now I know how to show that felt. Now I know how to do nothing more. The flames rose to a Roman nose and her Walkman started to melt. Alright. clearing and started once again, I got no right to take my place in the human race. Taking my strikes again. I got no right to take my place in the human race. And I know I till the blackbird. Now I know blackbird. As the flames rose to along my nose and I'm hearing it started to burn. Strikes again. I got no right to take my place in the human race. Oh, 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 oh. Big mouth strikes again. I got no right to take my place in the human race. Oh, 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 oh.